Hello everyone, I wanted to talk about changing the starter on a New Holland TC33DA tractor. It's a pretty easy job, takes about an hour. You'll need to disconnect this bolt here, and this wire comes off. There's a signal wire back here. You pull that off. Your wire will probably be on this thing here. I have a relay, so it looks a little different. There's two bolts. They're 15 millimeter. One's back there, one's down here. This one is a pain to get to. I got to it underneath this area, and then the whole thing lifts out. You put the new one in. I wanted to briefly talk about why I changed the starter and how I diagnosed it. So the tractor was running fine. I've owned it for a few years. Plowed some snow later in the day. I went to do some more work. Turned the key, and I heard a clunk. The clunk was coming from the starter solenoid, which is this component here. I banged on this a bit, banged on this a bit, no life. After doing some research, I found that many people had discovered that the voltage going into the signal portion of the solenoid may be low. Solution to this is to add a relay. So the signal, instead of coming through the whole tractor system and going to here, triggers a relay which sends battery 12 volts to this post. So I did that. No joy. I was able to confirm the tractor engine wasn't seized. You know, it wasn't this activating this, I just wasn't able to turn it. So I ordered a new starter, and the tractor runs great. Here's our sheep as of the 15th of December. We have a Jacob sheep, our Barbados ram, our Katahdin. There's two more Barbados ewes, and another Katahdin. And just put down some nice chips. And they live in this barn that we originally built for the goats. These are the Herefords. They have this whole area. Is this the biggest boy? He's huge. They live in this lovely pen. The sheep say hi to the Anatolian. We shall evaluate the chicken house. Hi folks,